Hi y'all! Today we're making white peppermint fudge. You know me, I like to keep things simple. That's why we have 4 ingredients here. We have some white chocolate baking chips. We have some mini marshmallows. We have some of these peppermint will candies because they're soft and you can break them up really easy. I'm going to throw mine in the food processor. And we have a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. But we are on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. So we're going to take 3 cups of our white chocolate. We're going to take our can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to put this on a medium-high heat. We're going to want to stir this regularly. That way the chocolate does not burn. We're also going to take 2 cups of our marshmallows. Now we just need to get this all melted down. So once it's all melted, go ahead, turn off the heat. Now we're going to dump our peppermint candies in. I have pretty well broken mine up, pulverized a good chunk of them. You don't want big chunks. If you leave a few small pieces in, that's not going to hurt anything. It's just a little more to bite into, but if you pulverize a good chunk of it, it'll melt into that chocolate and it'll provide an even flavor all the way around. And it'll also melt and create a reddish color. So now, I have a baking dish here. You can use a cookie sheet, depends on how thick you want your fudge. I've put aluminum foil in mine just so it's easier to dump out once it's set. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. And then we're going to want to make sure that's even. And now we're going to throw this in the fridge for a few hours to set up. At that point, I'll bring you back. Hi, y'all. So it's set up in the fridge. I already turned mine out and dumped it out on a cutting board. All we got to do is cut this into the size pieces that we want. That is dealer's choice. Alright, so we've cut ours up, we've also broke them up, and this is a great recipe for the holidays, or any time of the year really. But if you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. And there's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.